This is Eliza from Natureworks, and I'm going to show you today how to grow greens indoors over the winter. So there are two kinds of seeds we carry to do that. We have a leafy green, so it grows into like a baby spinach leaf or a baby chard leaf that you can use in salads, smoothies, or we have a microgreen, which is basically the baby version of a plant that you cut off at the base and you sprinkle as a garnish or on salads or in holiday dishes. And it has all the nutrients of a full-size plant but in a baby form. So there's such great ways to get some fresh greens over the winter when everything is terrible outside. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a smoothie mix, leafy green today. So I'm using a solid tray with a cell pack insert. That way you can sort of divide it up. If you want to do 1 part smoothie greens, 1 part microgreens, you can do that. And the packets come with a lot of seeds in them, and what you want to do is you just want to sprinkle it over the cell like you'd sprinkle salt onto your food. So once these grow up into a leaf, you harvest them at the base, and then they're done, and you just reseed. These packets will seed several times, so you just kind of start again once you finish it up. And then I'm just going to sprinkle some of our seed starting mix on top, and then mist it in. You can also do a wet paper towel over the top of these if you feel like you're not going to remember to mist it every now and then. It just sort of keeps it dark and damp, and then once it starts germinating, you uncover it and you water as you would a regular plant. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put a dome on top, definitely knocking over the seed packets while I do it. And then we also have a grow light that you'd put, it just rests on top. The bulb doesn't touch the plastic, but it rests here. And it'll just give you a little more success, especially if you're doing baby leaf greens. You can do it in a windowsill with microgreens. They'll kind of lean towards the light, but then you cut them at the base. But this whole setup works for your spring seed starting as well as this. So it's a great way to keep your seed game in action all year round. So try something new. Get a jazzy mix of seed microgreens and get some greens going this winter.